Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian shares gained on Thursday after a preliminary industry survey showed China's manufacturing sector in solid expansion territory. The HSBC Market Flash China Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index rose to 52.0 in July from June's final reading of 50.7, beating a forecast of 51.0 in Reuters poll. It was the highest reading since January 2013 and about the 50-point level that separates growth in activity from contraction for the second consecutive month. Mainland China stocks jumped after the PMI report, while shares in the rest of Asia edged higher. The Australian dollar hit a 3-week high on prospects of stronger exports to China. Japan's Nikkei 225 added 0.2%, South Korea's Kospi was up 0.3%, and the ASX 200 added 0.1%. The Hang Seng Index was up nearly 1%. Still, the prospects of more sanctions against Russia over the Ukraine crisis and a downed Malaysian airliner maintained a safety bid for high-rate bonds. German 10-year yields fell to 1.147%, just shy of record lows. In currencies, the New Zealand dollar led the action by skidding to a 6-week low after the country's central bank signaled a pause following its fourth straight rate hike. The Kiwi dollar dropped nearly a full US cent to $0.8606 US after the Reserve Bank of New Zealand raised rates by 25 basis points to 3.5%, but said it was time to wait and gauge the impact of its recent policy tightening on the economy. Thursday is a busy day for economic news, including flash estimates for purchasing manager indexes for the Eurozone. Several updates for the US are on tap as well, starting with a weekly release of initial jobless claims figures. US initial jobless claims 12:30 GMT. Last week's news that the new fillings for unemployment benefits unexpectedly dropped suggests that the recent run of moderately strong growth in the monthly payrolls data will continue. The latest decline in the new claims to a seasonally adjusted 302,000 for the week to July 12 is expected to reverse course in a bit in today's update. The consensus forecast calls for a mild uptick to 310,000. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.